My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Retch. This Retch is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that users store on the hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, we don't have any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Retch ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. It is called Retch because it encrypts files and appends this Retch extension to the file names, and it's impossible to use the data. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. It reveals this ransom note titled as How to Recover Your Files. But of course, you should not pay the ransom. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Don't waste it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and this is the way it looks like. It is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely, the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course, this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to effectively remove this ransomware, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium. You can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.